What are step wells? Here are some pictures of the very famous step wells of Rajasthan and Gujarat. We all know about well. But what is step well? Instead of drawing water up from the well, people could go down the steps and reach the water, and that's why it was called as step well. Why it was constructed? Children, long ago people used to make long journeys with their caravans of animal and goods. Caravans means big group of people. People of the ancient time felt it was good thing to give water to thirsty traveler. Today when we go from one place to another place, it took less time because bus, train, car or aircraft are available. But that time vehicles were not there. People had to move from one place to another by walk. Thus people of ancient time built many beautiful step wells for the travelers. Let us know one more water conservation system of ancient time. This is Lake Ghadsi-Sar. Look at this picture. The name of this lake is Ghadsi-Sar or Ghadi-Sar. Sar means lake. It was made by King Ghadsi of Jaisalmer, Rajasthan about 650 years ago. All around the lake there are ghats with steps leading to the water, decorated verandas, large halls, rooms and much more. People came here to celebrate festivals and for programs of music and dance. Children, that time the separate schools were not there. The students had to go to ashrams or they had to study in the open space. So children came to study in the school on the ghat. The talab belonged to everyone and everyone took care to keep it clean. It is our duty. Yes, the public properties are made for the welfare of the people and the people must take care of it. Right or wrong? What was the speciality of this lake? This lake was very huge. Rainwater collected in this lake spreaded over many miles. Children, it was made in such a way that when the lake was full, the extra water flowed into another lake at a lower level. When that lake also filled up, the extra water flowed into next lake. This way, all 9 lakes. How many lakes? All 9 lakes filled up during rainy days. And this conserved rainwater could be used throughout the year. Today this lake Ghadi-Sar or Ghadsi-Sar is no more in use. Many new buildings and colonies have come up in between those 9 lakes. The main lake is used for tourist activity. And when there is rain, the extra water flow away and wasted now.